Hi, this video we will create a worksheet for inventory management. Inventory management means it is the data which represents sales details of a shop or a showroom. Okay, so we'll create an Microsoft Excel worksheet which contains all the details like product code, product name, okay, product type, and MRP, discount and cost after discount, data purchase. Okay, all the details we will include, and finally we will analyze the data using some appropriate charts, okay, and the tables. Okay, so here I have already created an inventory management worksheet. Okay, here you can see all the details are there. Data purchase is there, the region means if the same shop is having its branches in different regions, okay, that also we can include here. Here you can see an electronic shop is having its shop at I think three different regions: east, central, and west. Okay, at three different regions it is having its branches. And here I have also included some managers, okay, sale managers and salesman who will work under this sales manager. Product code is there, product name is there, okay, product type, MRP, discount, cost after discount, okay, units and the number of units sold out, and the total sale amount is there. Okay, now here product code I have not given here. We will give some product code, and product type also we will uh, include. Then we will include some discount, then calculate the cost after the discount, and the total sale amount also will calculate, and we will create a consolidated table or the charts which represents the brief idea on summary of the sales data. Okay, so coming to the product code, so we will give some product code. Okay, for television we will give some product code, for cell phone we will give some product code. What I will do is I will just sort and filter. Okay, now for cell phone I will give the product code as 101. Okay, 101. And for desktop we'll give it as 102. For home theater 103 will give. And for television 104. 105 for video game instruments. Okay, so we have given some product code. Then product type, we can give some product type here. Here phone. Or else what we can do is we can give as electronic items. Electronic items. Okay, so product type mainly comes into picture when when the shop is selling different types of products. Like if you take the grocery shop, there the different types of products will be there. Like the dals will be there, pulses will be there, oils will be there, correct, and some packaged items will be there. So there the product type will vary. So here, as the sales data we have here, it is a electronic shop. So the product type will be an electronic goods only. Okay, it will be an electronic item only. So I will copy the same type to all the items, electronic item. Then discount. So discount usually it will vary from time to time. If a shop wants to clear all the stock, okay, then discount will be high. During regular times the discount will be nominal discount will be provided. Okay, what I will do is simply I will take around 10% discount. Okay, 10% discount for up to let me sort this as per the date. Okay, for giving the product code I have sorted as per the product name. Let me sort this table as per the product date in increasing order. Sort by date. So sort by date means date data purchase, no? Okay. So this is column A. Data purchase is column A. Let me take this whole table. Okay. Sort and filter. Custom sort. Product data purchase. Okay. Oldest to the newest. So yes. Now as per the data purchase, the data is reorganized, correct? From January 6 to February 17. For January month, I will take discount as 10%. Okay, just type as 10%. 10%. Okay. January month, we will take the discount as 10%. For February, we will take the discount as 20%. It depends on the period on which the sale is happening. Okay. Now, cost after discount will be actual MRP is 1198 rupees for the television. So after 10% discount, what is the cost? Okay, that will calculate now. Now type is equal to actual MRP minus the amount for 10% discount. For that, what you can do is multiply the same MRP with this 10% discount. Type enter. Now it is calculated. Okay, so we will round up this number. Okay, 1078 rupees. So just double click here. For all remaining items, the rate will be calculated after the discount. Okay, now you can see that on each date what is the number of units sold out, that is also written here. Okay, now total sale amount will be, see, there are 95 units of televisions which are sold on January 6, 2018. Okay, at a rate of how much? 1078 rupees. Okay, is equal to number of, means cost after discount multiplied by number of units. So this is what the business that is happened on that day with respect to the sale of the television. Just double click. For all of the remaining items, the rate will be calculated, means the total sale amount will be calculated. Okay, so here 0.4 is there. Let me round up this value to the nearest number. Yes, this is the total sale amount. Okay, so this whole table will represent the inventory management of a shop, or you can create the inventory management for anything. Okay, anything which involves the business. Okay, now we will analyze this data. We will analyze this data means we will get some idea on the sales data. Okay, brief summary on the sales data. on which date, on which day the more sale is happened on, and one more thing, which manager has done more business, which salesperson has done more business, which items have sold more. Okay, like that. If you want to have some brief summary on the sales that has happened, will for that we have to create an analysis table. Okay, for that what we will use is we'll use this pivot table. Okay, pivot table and the pivot chart to get the brief summary on sales data. Okay, any other data. Now what you can do is you click on any one particular cell. Okay, go to insert, click on pivot table. Okay, now it will ask whether to create the pivot table in the new sheet or the existing sheet. Okay, so let us select new sheet only to avoid the confusion between this existing data and the pivot table data. Okay, and table range automatically it has selected, automatically it has selected the whole table, it has selected. Okay, so before going to click on pivot table, you should the cell, any one of the cell inside the data should be selected. Okay, in that case it will automatically select the whole table. Okay, if you click this cell outside the table, means you need to manually select. Okay, now say okay, say okay. Yes, now it will ask for few fields to be filled. Okay, so data of purchase. Now there are four different cells. Okay, filters, columns, rows, and summation of values, etc. Correct. So we have to drop appropriate parameters into the appropriate cells. Okay, filters means if you want to know on which particular date the sales that has happened, under which uh, region the sale that has happened. Okay, so if you want to have some filter, okay, uh, the data which comes under that filter, it should be dropped in that filter cell. Okay, so in a particular date, if you want to know the sales data, so you have to filter that data. Okay, so the date of purchase will come under filter cell. Even the region, in east region, what is the sale that has happened? West, what is the sale that has happened? If you want to know that, so we have to filter that. Okay, that filter data will drop in filter cell. Okay, then coming to the manager and salesman, let us drop them in rows. Manager, and under manager the salesman will come. Okay, so here you can see the left side, parallelly the data is generating, parallelly the data is generating. Right? Now what is next? Product code is there. Product code, let us leave that. Product name, product name also I will place in the rows column, the rows cell. Okay, I'll drop in the C. It has created that data. Okay, then MRP, discount, cost after discount. So let me take cost after discount to the value. Okay, sum of values, and number of units, number of units. Then sale amount, we will leave that. Okay, so you should be you should here, this is very important step. Okay, selection of these parameters into the filters, columns, rows, and summation of values. Okay, we have to select appropriate values as per your requirement, and you will get the analyzed data. Here you can see a systematic table is created. Okay, Douglas is the name of the manager. Under Douglas, the total business that took place is 3,284 rupees. Okay, then Under John, he is a salesperson. Under Douglas, there are three salespersons, four salespersons which are who are working. Okay, John, Karen, Michael, and Herman. Okay, again under each salesperson, what is the business that has happened? Number of units sold out and sum of cost after discount. Everything it is there. Okay, let me drop the sale amount also here. Okay, sale amount. See here, one more column is generated. Okay, the total sale amount that took place. Okay, 415 units have been sold, and the sum of cost after discount for all the items and total sale amount it is representing here. If you want to interchange this sum of, if you want this sum of units to be appear in the first column, so you can just drag this up. So it is interchange, you can see here. Okay, sum of units is appearing first and uh, cost is appearing next, and total sale amount. Okay, now you will get some idea here in this table. Now you can see the sales details as per your requirement. For example, if you want to know on January 10 what is the sale that has happened, okay, click here, uncheck this all, you just select January 10, say okay. It will give the consolidated data of the sale that took place in on January 10. If you want to know for January 10 to January 15 data, this it is giving now. Okay, similarly, see from January 10 to January 15 in East region, if you want to know the sale that took place, you select this East only, say okay. Now on East region, okay, from January 10 to January 15, whatever the sale that took place, that is representing. So this is the beauty of this pivot table. Okay, this is how we analyze the sales data. Okay, so you will get an idea about the sales. Okay, variation in the sale. Okay, where and all the sale is less, where and all sale is more. All these idea you will get it by this table. Okay, now I'll select all once again. Yes, say okay. Here also I'll select all. Say okay. So this is about the pivot table. Similarly, we can create pivot charts. Okay, pivot chart means the same table it will represent in the form of chart. There you will get better idea than that this pivot table. Okay, so just click on particular cell, insert, go to insert, click on pivot chart. Okay, it will, you will have the option of selecting the different types of charts. Okay, line chart is there, pie chart is there. So usually we will go for this column chart. Okay, here different again in column chart different uh, uh, formats are there. Okay, different templates are there. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, now I will select this uh, stacked column, say okay. Now so for the same data the chart is been created. You can see this is called as pivot chart. This is called as pivot chart. So here also you can filter the data. You can filter the data. See here you can see under Douglas manager there are four salesperson. Under four salesperson the different items are there and total sale detail is there, correct? So here you will get a clear visualization about sales. Okay, if you want to know the chart with respect to a particular date, you can select. Yes, if you want to increase the number of dates from January 6 to January 10, say okay. It will give the corresponding data. Even the region also you can select. Only for central and east region means it will give the corresponding data. Okay, even I can select so let me select all here, all, say okay, region, say okay. If you want to know what is the contribution of particular manager, okay, select that particular manager, say okay, it will give the corresponding uh, data in the form of chart and the table. Similarly, if you want, you can here I'll select all. Okay. Under particular salesman, if you want to know the data, you can select that also. Alexander, it will give. So by this, the owner of the shop will come to know contribution of each salesperson, contribution of each manager towards uh, sales of his shop, sales of items of his shop. Okay. So this is about creating an Excel sheet for inventory management and analyzing the data using charts and the tables. Okay, thank you.